Beach Energy is involved in the oil and gas industry. So we own a couple of assets, and what we do is we manage the assets throughout New Zealand and Australia as well. One of the issues that we have working in our beach is managing the document control. When we was doing work in projects, we have to upload multiple documents, and there's the issues where we have to change the attributes or metadata of the document, which now was way smooth and easier with the Excel upload when InEight introduced that function, and that one of the big game changer for the company. Instead of doing one by one, we can do in bulk and save a lot of time. We have smoothed our process like in managing documents. Initially, we have documents managed in a SharePoint and other locations. Now we have centralized repository of documents, and what it helps us is to say that this is one source of truth. Especially the dashboard functionality is a good projection of the information of the projects, what we've been doing, and also the reports availability, and which we can customize the report based on the requirement for the projects, and also what we need to present to the board or to the contractor. So there's a lot of customization report functionality that which will be very useful, and also to give a good presentation of where we are with all the documentation. We are very much happy with the way we are managing the document now, because this is more like a one place of single of truth, where we have all the documents stored in one location, so that we can confidently give it to the contractor or to the engineer to use it.